How do we study the past, present, future, and past? Our photographs of today show how we look in the present. When we make plans to go somewhere tomorrow or a week later, we make plans for the future. The time that has to come is known as the future. Have you ever looked through your childhood photographs? Your childhood photographs show how you looked in your past. The past talks about the time that has gone by, such as yesterday or last year. What is history? We can know about the events that took place in the past with the help of history. History is the study of past events, especially the political, social, and development of a country or a nation. The word history comes from the ancient Greek word histro, meaning know this. Many events have taken place in different periods of time in our country too. Our country has changed from what it was then to what it is now. For example, before 1982 Indians watched televisions on black and white sets, while in 1982 color televisions began to be sold in India. Sources of history. Various objects that the historians study to know about the past are known as the sources of history. Sources such as old photographs, books, pieces of pottery, tools, weapons, clay objects, paintings, coins, buildings, old newspapers, etc., are records of the past. Archaeologists study these objects and find out about our past. How do we study history? Dates are very important to know about history. They help us to pinpoint the time when an event had occurred. Historians use a timeline as a tool to study history. Books, newspapers, coins, and paintings are other tools used to study history. They are known as the sources of history. Timeline, a tool of history. A timeline puts the dates in which the events took place in the correct order. Thereby, it helps us to remember dates and also know what happened before a particular event and what followed it. Let us learn how a timeline is made. In the timeline, we take the center point as year 2000. The counting begins from the year 1. We borrowed this system of counting from Europe, where the birth of Jesus Christ was taken as the starting point. So the years after the birth of Christ starts from 1. The time before the birth of Christ is known as BCE or before Common Era, and counted backwards from 1. The time after the birth of Christ is known as CE or Common Era. So, 150 BCE means 150 years before the birth of Christ. When we are in the year 2019, it means that 2019 years have passed since the birth of Christ. In a timeline, BCE falls on the left side and CE falls on the right side. The timeline given below extends up to 4000 BCE to the left and 4000 CE to the right. The year when the great King Ashoka came to the throne of our country is marked on it.